How are you, Marianne?
Hello أستاذ I'm good أنت كيفك؟
Good. كيف الدرس؟
ماشي الحال.
الحمد لله.
أستاذ عنا إنجليش أسي يمكن كرمال هيك رح يتأخروا شوي.
كيف على طول الإنجليش؟
إيه
بل أنت خلصتي بكير الإنجليش.
أنا خلصت بس بعد عم ببعت.
إيه بروبلم وقت يبعت الواحد.
يس كتير بطيء الإنترنت.
How are you, Talin? اوكي. هاي كيفكم؟ Okay, today we are going to solve the last session about function 2008, the first one. To the right here, the curve C to the right is the curve f defined over 0 plus infinity of the function fx equal aex plus b, where a and b are real numbers. The curve C admits at O a tangent t of equation y equal x over 8. How to verify fx equals this one? Who solved this part? Did anybody solve this part?
I didn't.
Okay. شمعت هون the curve C admits at O, هيدا ال O, a tangent. So 2008, part A, fx equal aex plus b. I have the point O, 0, 0 is on the curve. So f of 0 equals 0. So ae to the 0, we replace x by 0, plus b equal to 0. E to the 0 is 1. So a plus b equals 0. Any questions here? أول شيء O هو 0 0 belongs to the curve, so f of 0 equal to 0. You know that the equation of the tangent at O, the equation of the tangent بيكون y minus yo equal f prime of 0 into x minus xo. yo here 0, so y equal f prime of 0 times x. f prime of 0 times x. The slope هو f prime of 0. From the given here, what's the slope of this line? What's the slope of this line? The slope of the line y equal x over 8.
1 over 8.
1 over 8. Good. So the slope equals f prime of 0 equal 1 over 8. To calculate f prime of 0, I have to calculate f prime x. F prime x equals ae to the x. Derivative لل e to the x is e to the x. So derivative لل aex is aex. Derivative لل b is 0. F prime of 0 equal 1 over 8. It means that ae to the 0 equal 1 over 8. F prime. So a equals 1 over 8. Now to find b, a plus b equal to 0. A is 1 over 8 plus b equal to 0, and b equal minus 1 over 8. Fx equals ae to the x plus b, يعني 1 over 8 e to the x minus 1 over 8, same LCM, 8 e to the x minus 1. Any questions?
No.
Part B. Let G be the function defined over 0 plus infinity by gx equal 120 over ex plus 15. And let G be its representative curve. So we have the function G defined by gx equals 120 over ex plus 15. And G is its representative curve. Part 1. Calculate the limit as x tends to plus infinity of gx. What's the limit as x tends to plus infinity? إذا حطينا محل x plus infinity. How much e to the infinity? Infinity. So limit as x tends to plus infinity of gx equal 120. We replace x by infinity, بصير e to the infinity plus 15. E to the infinity is infinity. 120 over infinity is 0. So x tends to infinity, y tends to 0, then y equal to 0, which is the x-axis, is a horizontal asymptote. Show that g prime x is negative for every x positive. We need to show that g prime x is negative. كيف الفورم of gx? It is of the form u over v. G prime x equal u prime v minus v prime u over v square. U is 120. U prime is 0 minus v prime derivative of ex plus 15 is ex times 120 over ex plus 15 square. E to the x is positive, multiplied by minus 120 is negative, so it is negative. So g prime x negative for every x belongs to 0 plus infinity, and g is decreasing. Part 3, set up the table of variations. To set up the table of variations, x, g prime x, and gx, the domain is 0 plus infinity. G prime negative, g is decreasing. At 0, g of 0 is 7.5. At plus infinity, we get 0, y equal to 0, horizontal asymptote. Part 4, copy C and draw G in the same system. Copy C and draw G in the same system. Copy C. نحن معنا C كان it passes from the origin 0 0. فينا ناخد particular points إذا بدنا على C. Now G, it starts from the point 0 7.5 0 7.5. This is 7.5 here. It is decreasing. It is decreasing. We can take more particular points using your calculators. It will decrease to near the horizontal asymptote اللي هو y equal to 0. It will continues. Any questions about the drawing? Part 5. Suppose F and G are respectively the supply and the demand functions of a certain object. F هي demand والG هي supply. Okay, the unit price X expressed in millions. X هي expressed in millions. Fx and Gx expressed in hundreds of objects. Estimate the number of objects demanded when the price is 5 million. How to find the number of objects demanded for a price of 5 million? يلا boys, girls, كيف نلاقي the demand for a price of 5 million? So price equal 5 million. شوف فيش غيرك تالين مبين بالميتينج. وين الاذرز؟ راح الكهرباء يا تالين؟
ايه استاذ راح الكهرباء هلا اجا.
اوكي، له زمان رايح الكهرباء؟
لا دقيقتين.
يلا we will wait لحتى يجوا.
اوكي.
Did you draw the curve, Sabaya? Ruby, did you draw the curve ولا no?
Yes.
Okay, so we have part 5. F and G represents the supply and the demand. F هي supply. F هي supply لازم يكون وG هي demand. F هي supply والG demand. So F and G are the supply and the demand. Estimate the number of demanded objects if the price equal 5 million. شو بنعمل هون؟ X equal price equal 5 millions. X equal 5 millions over 1 million. So we are going to calculate. We are going to calculate the demand. Demand يعني we have to calculate in G. We have to calculate G of 5. So هذا not correct. هذا not F of 5. We are going to calculate G of 5. G of 5, how much will be? What is G? Equal 120 over e power 5 plus 1 equals هذا معه calculator.
بيعطي 0.73.
120 over e power 5 بيعطي 0.803 hundreds of objects. تقريبا يعني بيعطي 80 objects.
It says G plus 15 تحت مش 1.
15. Okay, how much is a plus 15? Okay.
0.73.
0.73. Yeah, 73 objects. Show that fx equal gx has a unique solution alpha and verify that alpha equal len 25. How to verify that fx equal gx has a unique solution?
بنحل fx equals to gx.
Okay, okay. We solve fx equal gx. مش مكتوب هون رح نكتبه. fx equal gx. fx equal gx. How to solve it? Fx equal gx. What is fx?
Ax minus 1 over 8.
Ex minus 1 over 8 equals what? 120 over Ex
Ax plus 15.
plus 15. كيف نعمل له solving?
Cross multiply.
Cross multiply e to the x times e to the x. It will be e to the 2x plus 15 e to the x بيرجع minus e to the x, then minus 15 equals 8 times 120, how much? We will get 960. Then we will get e to the power 2x plus 14 e to the x minus 975 equal to 0. How to solve this equation?
calculator.
كيف calculate؟ أول شيء بدنا ناخد let e to the x equal t, then we will get t squared plus 14t minus 975 equal to 0. حلي على الكالكوليتر فانا. تطلع t equal 25 first t و second t how much فانا؟
minus 39.
t equal minus 39.
rejected.
هذا rejected. So t equal 25 يعني ex equal 25. To find x يعني x equals ln 25. The last part, calculate g of alpha and give the economical interpretation of alpha and g alpha. G alpha is g of ln 25 will be equals, the g is what is g? 120 over e to the power ln 25 plus 15. We get 3. What is the economical interpretation of alpha and g alpha? So economical interpretation. Let fx equal gx. Fx equal gx. Let fx equal gx. Supply equal demand. Let supply equal demand. What we call this point, supply equal demand.
أستاذ
Yes.
الكهرباء صاير رايح شي 100 مرة.
يلا I repeat بس يلا خلصت أنا.
أستاذ هيدا C.
يس. وين راح الكهرباء عندك مريان لارجع ريبيت؟
علي بعدين بحضر الفيديو لأنه ما عم بكتب أصلا. It's okay.
مين بقى عم يكتب لحتى ارجع I will repeat؟
أنا وصلت ل x equals to ln 25.
x equal ln 25 خلصنا. part C هلا. part C بيقول calculate G alpha and give the economical interpretation for the values of alpha and G alpha. هيدا part C هون. calculate G of ln 25 صرتي هون انت يعني بتلاقي بعد هيدا الفاليو G of ln 25 هون. بعد ما لقينا ال x equal ln 25 calculate G of ln 25 equal 125 over ln 25 e to the power ln 25 plus 15 gives 3. بعدين بيقول لنا give an economical interpretation. So fx equal gx يعني supply equal demand. For supply equal demand, the market is at equilibrium for a price of ln 25 millions of Lebanese lira. ln 25 millions of Lebanese lira. هيدي الألفا. G alpha, the demanded quantity is 300. بان كتير عم يروحوا الكهرباء بعنجر.
ياس كتير.
Okay, this is all for today. Tomorrow we'll start with a new chapter. حدا بده يسأل شيء عن هذا الاكسرسايز؟
No, it's clear.
Okay, يلا. See you tomorrow لكن.
Okay.
يلا باي باي.
باي.
باي باي.